Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
The leadership of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, says the commission is poised to complete all its ongoing projects across the nooks and crannies of the oil-rich region in order to alleviate the sufferings of the people. The commission says this is in line with the mandate of President Bola Tinubu's administration to ensure the all-round development of the region. Managing Director of the NDDC, Dr. Sam Ogbuku, disclosed this last week at the separate commissioning of 2 electricity projects in Ondo and Edo states.
The board and management of Nigeria's foremost intervention agency, NDDC, and a host of political and traditional rulers from the Niger Delta region were in Ondo State last week to commission a legacy project of the Niger Delta Development Commission in its bid to provide electricity to communities across the region. The project, a 132 kV transmission line and electricity substation, are located in Ode Erinje in Okitipupa local government area of the state. The facility, which has already been connected to the national grid, is expected to provide electricity to about 2,000 communities across 5 local government areas in Ondo South Senatorial District. Speaking at the commissioning, President Bola Tinubu, who was represented by the Minister for Niger Delta Development, Engineer Abubakar Momo, noted that the completion and subsequent commissioning of the project is a demonstration of the federal government's determination to positively transform the Niger Delta region.
What we are witnessing here is one of the priorities of Mr. President. A lot of activities will come up in this area in terms of economic growth.
A visibly excited governor of Ondo State, Lucky Ayedatiwa, appreciated the NDDC for this critical intervention in the state.
This is a landmark project of many years. It's going to transform the socio-economic life of this senatorial district. We cannot but thank the current management of NDDC.
For their part, the leadership of the commission expressed their gratitude to the community leaders for their support throughout the project execution process. The chairman of the governing board, Chiedu Ebi, and the managing director CEO, Dr. Samuel Obuko, both reaffirmed their commitment to domesticating the renewed hope agenda of Mr. President across all communities in the region.
5 local government areas of Ondo State will be connected to the power grid. We assure you of our best endeavors always as a board, and we will continue to do what we need to do to improve the lives of the people of the Niger Delta.
This can only be done under the renewed hope agenda of Mr. President. This is the true meaning of renewed hope, using the NDDC to renew the hope of the Niger Delta people, to let them know that there is hope in sight.
For some members from the communities across the Ondo South Senatorial District who have been without electricity for the last 15 years, the commissioning of the transmission line and substation was indeed a dream come true. They were full of gratitude to the NDDC.
All the businesses are down, all the machineries, all the tools are down. But with this, it's going to bring a lot of improvements to our economy.
Today is a tremendous day in my life. It's a memorable day you cannot forget in life. And we thank God that God has done this for us, because for the past 15 years we are in the dark.
And we are happy today that this type of thing is coming up, that they are bringing light to us. Even those kids too, they will be happy. I will be able to tell them that light has come to Ibokoda.
And in Edo State, the commissioning of the Amufi electricity injection substation, also built by the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) in Ikpogba Oha local government area of the state, came as a relief to the people of the community and its environs, who have been without electricity for a long time. The facility would boost power supply in the area and increase socio-economic activities in the state. The people who are now connected to the grid with the assurance of electricity just like any other residents in the state, are thankful to the commission.
As they tell us, say they want to bring this light, they want commissioner. Maybe they go market and not go market again. I say I go see her.
If you see my belly, now be like say na native chalk 9 day. I say I hear this light matter. I leave business today. I don't they come quick. Say I want come happy. Say we don't get lights. Now lights, now they make community they open high. So we happy for this light. Where 100% happiness. May God bless NDDC.
This substation was created in 2012. I would like to thank the managing director of NDDC for this substation to come to reality.
The managing director of the NDDC, Dr. Samuel Oboko, said the commission remains committed to meeting the yearnings of the people through the completion of all projects in the oil-rich region.
Every ongoing project of the NDDC, an abandoned project, must be finished and put into use for the benefit of the people. That is bringing back hope to the people.
For his part, the governor of Ondo State, who was represented by the Commissioner of Mining and Energy, Honorable Enaholo Ejiofor, commended the intervention agency for the electrification project, which he said would add value to the state and its residents.
We can assure you this project will generate more revenue and also expand this community.
Meanwhile, President Bola Tinubu recently transmitted the 2024 statutory budget for the Niger Delta Development Commission to the Senate for consideration and subsequent approval. According to the president, the intervention agency would prioritize security of lives and properties and job creation, as well as youth and women's empowerment. Other areas of interest for the Commission are social welfare, the provision of educational infrastructure, and increased productivity in agriculture in order to contribute to the economic growth of the Niger Delta region and the development of the nation.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,